ready to unlock more sales and make checkout a breeze for your customers. First, head to your Shopify admin panel and click on Settings, then select Payments. In the Payment Providers section, you might see Shopify Payments as the default, but for PayPal, click Choose a Provider. Select PayPal Express Checkout from the list of alternative payment options. This allows customers to pay directly with their PayPal account or debit or credit card without leaving your site. Click Activate PayPal Express Checkout. You'll be prompted to connect your PayPal business account. Ensure you enable the guest checkout option so customers without PayPal accounts can still pay with their credit or debit cards. Customize the look of your PayPal button in the theme editor to match your store's branding for a seamless and professional customer payment process. Remember to familiarize yourself with PayPal's security features and fraud prevention measures to protect your business and customers. By adding a PayPal button that accepts credit and debit cards, you're making it easier for customers to buy from you, leading to happier customers and more sales. Subscribe for more tips to grow your Shopify business.